business growth strategy. Recently, I had a conversation with a friend that wants to grow more their business. So, what we have discussed is one of the strategy to grow a business is to have a continuous lead flow. So, and para makuha yung lead flow na yan, magandang strategy for now is social media content production. Ano-ano yung mga social media na yan? Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, LinkedIn, X, Twitter, and YouTube. So, dyan manggagaling yung mga leads. I hope na nakatulong to sa'yo sa pag-grow ng business mo. And by the way, if you have questions about social media content production and how to grow your business, comment ka lang below for a free consultation with no obligation call.